Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to disable contact sciencing on Instagram. The first step is go to the application of Instagram, and here you need to go to the option of your profile here in the down part of the app. And after that you need to go in the superior right corner in the bottom of these three lines. This is the button of settings and activity. You pick here, and you need to search the option of upload contact here, and after that you need to choose the account you want to disable this option. For example, this option, this account, I have this option disabled, but when you got this option activated, you got here in blue the button, and the only thing you need to do to disable the option is pick here, and that's it. You pick in disconnect, and that's it. You disable the option of contact silencing. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.